Ajinomoto Factories Renewable Energy Badge in 3, 2, 1! Round of applause, ladies and gentlemen. Let's give a round of applause to Ajinomoto Philippines Corporation and ASIN. And of course, let's have a photo op first with Sir Koichi and Ma'am Nina.
Hindi, meron kami mixer. Maandar yun. Pagka na-mix na certain time, ihahakotin na lang nila.
Today marks a significant milestone as we unveil renewable energy buds at EPM Cebu factory. We are celebrating a full transition of all EPC factories into 100% renewable energy for our electricity need. This achievement reinforces our commitment to Ajinomoto Group's 2030 roadmap of reducing our environmental footprint by 50%. This success would not have been possible without ASIN renewable energy solutions. From our Bulacan facilities transition in December 2023 and today's milestone in EPM Cebu factory, ASIN has been steadfast partner helping us achieve sustainability while generating energy savings. I'd like to give special thanks to the ASIN leaders who play vital roles in this achievement. One of which is Mr. Miguel Nizos, the Chief Operating Officer, Mr. Tony Valdez, Senior Vice President of Market Transformation and Retail, Ms. Sheila Mina, Vice President Commercial Operation and Head of Account Management, thank you ma'am, Ms. Elisa Cabato, Senior Account Manager, thank you ma'am, Ms. Margo Adriano, Service Account Manager. This badge is a symbol of our shared commitment to sustainability. Let's continue working together towards a greener future.